Hey guys, today I'm gonna review Google AgentSpace. So what is Google AgentSpace? It is an AI-driven workspace that integrates Google Gemini AI with Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and other Google Workspace applications. It acts like smart assistant, automating tasks, generating reports, and even summarizing emails in real time. So the key features are it is AI-powered assistance. So it drafts emails, create presentations, and analyze data with AI. The second one is the seamless collaboration. It works effortlessly with teams using real-time AI-powered suggestions. Number 3, task automation. You can schedule meetings, auto-generate reports, and prioritize tasks without manual input. And number 4 is the security and privacy. It is built on Google's robust cloud security, keeping your data safe. So the pros are it saves times by automating repetitive tasks. It also integrates smoothly with Google Workspace. It also learns with AI from your workflow to improve your efficiency. The cons are it is still in early stages, so some features may be limited, and it also requires a paid Google Workspace plan for full access. So the final verdict is Google AgentSpace is a game changer for professionals and business looking to boost productivity. If you rely on Google ecosystem, this AI-powered tool can be a major asset. However, it's best suited for power users who can maximize its features. So tell me in the comment section below, would you try Google AgentSpace? And also hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.